My name's Tom Frankel. I've been a 30-year resident of Scottsdale and have met what I will refer to as Dr. Q because I have trouble pronouncing the proper name, Dr. Q, which is, I guess, a bit of a nickname. I met her first as her landlord. Then I became a seller, which I normally don't often become, and finally I became her patient. How I became a patient, of all the people in this room, I would be the most skeptical of any type of medical treatment, Oriental, Asian, Mayo Clinic, whatever. I was scheduled for knee surgery on Monday. I'm a bit of a jock, was not looking forward to the rehab and the surgery, and I said, Dr. Q, did you know I'm having surgery Monday? No, I didn't. What for? And I said, I'm just having my knee cleaned out. She goes, would you like to have me look at it? She looked at it, and I didn't know anything about acupuncture, nothing about Oriental medicine. The way she examined my knee, which is a limb that I don't know that I would necessarily think an acupuncturist would know anything about a knee, she probably examined it for 15 minutes, turned it, touched it, moved it, and after 15 minutes, which I couldn't even imagine that she would do it, she says, if you want to postpone your surgery, I can help you. I did. And 3-4 months later, I'm running, I'm playing squash, I'm doing all the things that I like to do. And as a result of that, which is a much longer story and people would be bored to hear, I was deaf for 23 years in one ear. And after one of the treatments, I came home. My wife and I went to dinner, and I'm in the car and driving, and music is barreling out of the left speaker. And I complained to my wife, did you mess with the balance? And she said, no. Why? And I thought I was imagining it. Go to dinner, come back in, again, blaring out of the left speaker. And I go, Jane, that's my wife, I'm hearing out of my left ear. And it didn't occur to me that she had, through that acupuncture, which she will not explain how it works, although I've heard it had something to do with my gallbladder meridian but I hear out of my left ear. I have almost perfect hearing out of my left ear after 23 years of not even going there. So if I've got to be the infomercial for acupuncture, I could be it.